Hello, this is Bobby at Compel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for mainboard. I believe this is XVT553SV. Yes, belonging to customer named T.Hardt. And the board had all the major connectors broken when it arrived, so this was replaced, this was replaced, this was replaced, and that was replaced. And this one is not the exact same one as the original. Actually, I believe this one is not either. This is a much more reliable, better quality connector, but if your cable has little, let me see if I have one here. If your cable has little ears on the side, and by ears I mean little ears that go on the side here, I don't remember if they go in these types of connectors. You may have to cut them off, or it may still work out of the box, but this is a whole lot more reliable. It can do many opens and closes without having any damage. Now let me start that. Actually, I want to start it with this button, and yes, it went white, which is what we want to see. Usual setup, the board with the HDMI player, and what we want to see is that it is coming up and playing, so HDMIs are working, the connectors are working too. Okay, this is HDMI 1 and this is our media player. So this is working. Because we turn it on with the wheel, I saw that that means it is getting, so that connector is working fine. I'm going to raise the volume. Okay, that is working. And so the connector for the remote is also working. I will try to just turn it off from here. Push once, rotate once, press, and it went off. Okay, so that board is working fine, and if it was paid on eBay, we will be shipping it back. If not, we'll be invoicing for the actual service other than the connectors, whatever was causing the board not to work. Thanks.